Metro! What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video. What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video. And as you can see, we got the Cobra out today, Phantom. Pollen is really doing a number on the black. So we're gonna get the cars washed, but before we do all of that, the car actually has like a power steering leak that we got to get figured out. It's leaking really bad, so we got to get that taken care of. We're gonna get jacked up, get under it. I really haven't even got under it to see anything yet, so this will be really good. And then we'll get it all figured out, probably head to the parts store, get it fixed. Then we're gonna get our cars washed, get everything situated. But yeah, if y'all haven't already, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. With that being said, let's jump into today's video. All right, we found the culprit. Where's the culprit? Where's the low pressure on? Look at that. Oh, there it is. That's where it's leaking from. So we need to get a washer, a new washer. But it's leaking a good bit. So we're gonna get this changed out.
Yeah, Daddy. Oh, whoa.
All right, first of all, we officially have a diagnosis. We've just got the car off the jacks and the stands. The power steering pump is officially bad. It's leaking from the wheat pole. Side note, be sure to change your catch can. Be sure to service it. This is crazy. But yeah, so we got a bad steering pump. We got one ordered, so it's gonna get changed soon. With that being said, it's not getting changed today. So we're probably gonna change it within the next couple of days. I'm gonna take it to the house, get it jacked up, put it back on the stands. Yeah, we're gonna get this cleaned up a little bit more, and then we're going to get some vlogging footage. We're gonna get her fixed. Jack, bro, I was like, what was that, bro? What are we doing? Gee whiz. Second gear. That was second. Hey, you wanna do one more? Absolutely ridiculous. Hey, yo. 373s in this car, it's gonna be absolutely wild. It's gonna be a completely different car. I just want y'all to like stamp it right now, because when I get 373 gears in this car, it's gonna be so crazy.
Tomorrow.
All right, YouTube, it's officially the next day. We got the power steering pump, and we're about to install it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and give us a little cold start though, because it's been a couple days. I'm trying not to let it warm up too much, but we're gonna get the old one taken off. Walk y'all pretty much through everything that we're doing, and then get the new one installed, then add some fluid, and then that's pretty much it. Hopefully I can get it on the road today. If not, then we'll get it on the road tomorrow. But that being said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Let's go and get this knocked out. All right, got everything we need right here. We got our toolbox, got jacks, our stand, fluid, toolbox, and we got our new pump real quick. So we're gonna go and crack this open. We have to get the serpentine belt taken off. So after we open this, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so right there we're good for now. Now let's go ahead and jack this bad boy up. All right, we're currently getting all the bolts out. We got 3 of them out. We got 1 more. You're gonna want to use a 10mm ratcheting wrench, and it goes right here. It's hard to kind of see. If you did this the other way and did this one first, it would bend this power steering line. So we're doing this one last, that way it backs it out with the pump itself. So we're doing this right here, and then this is just leaking everywhere, bro. It's so annoying. Hey yo, how we always get in these predicaments? You know what I'm saying? I'm actually kind of lucky it's not like, it's going kind of like this way. But I always enjoy working in the rain, like y'all know this. We've made some progress. I'll just go ahead and show y'all real quick. The power steering pump, yeah, so see it, like it's out, but I'm trying to let it drain a little bit because I can't get the power steering pump hose that connects to it. I'm trying my best. I can't get it off. What is that? What is that? Okay, so this one. Like I'm trying to get it off, but so I can at least drain it. And then after that, we just need to disconnect the power steering hose or the line that runs to it. And then I'll figure out how to get this out of here. I'm still not sure. Probably might try to maneuver the coolant lines a little bit or something. But after that, we should be able to just reinstall what we uninstalled, and that should be it. So, also check out the exhaust. We have a, let's see, I don't know, do we have caps? I really can't see anything right here. But I know we have an H pipe right here, and then MagnaFlow right there. What I really want to do is get off-road H pipe coming to here, and then get a Borla S type going out the back with some like an American Racing headers up here. Boy, that thing was screaming, but we're gonna get there. All right, so it's the next day. And as you can see, we got the new pump in there. All that's left to do is hook up the power steering line. Before we do that, we're gonna replace this gasket right here, or the seal, with the new seal that came with the pump. I'm gonna show y'all this real quick so y'all know. So basically, these were stuck in the heads. This came off the old pump, and so I squeezed them with some needle nose pliers, and I just kind of squeezed them like that. And you can see how they're kind of, how it's bent like that. So I just squeezed it and pulled it out of the head. Because I thought these were in the block, but they're not, and that fooled me. So we could have got it done last night, but figured this out late last night. So let's go ahead and get this put on, and that should be it. Okay, finally, we are completely done down here. Everything's pretty much fastened up. So what we're doing now is we put some fluid in there, and this actually went down so much. That's why I got a rag right there, it's spilling over. So what we're doing is right here, we're just turning the wheel, we're bleeding the brakes. And it's not bubbling up like it was, but it was bubbling a lot. So I'm like you wanna do this about 20 times while the car's jacked up, because you want the tires to be free. So you gotta do this about 20 times. And I'm just doing this right here. And it should bubble up. You can see it was bubbling up all the way to right up to the top, like the very, very top. So now it's drawing all the way back down in there. So we're getting a good bit of air out right now. All right. We're out of gear. We're just gonna go ahead and start it real quick. Right there. Looks pretty good. Let's check the wheel a couple times. So as you can see, we still got air in the system. Watch. Let me see if it does it again. You can see it trying to get out of there. Yeah. So this is why you want to keep doing it a couple times, because you want all that air out of the system. See it bubbling up at the top. I will update y'all in the next video. I'm tired. I'm ready to edit this video and get it out. It's been far too long since I posted one. It's been at least like 3 weeks. So y'all bear with me. I'm trying to get some things handled. Trying to get some parts and stuff ordered. Tuner, tunes, gears, the whole nine. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. I'll see you on the next one, man. Deuces.